press the menu button on the remote control. Scroll down to Manager on the lower right hand corner. Then make sure you're on version. And scroll down to Online Upgrade. Press OK. It's connected. It should show connected on the upper right hand corner at the bottom. It should read on the server address http hdvrbox.com/up/ capital S, capital D, capital A, the word dish, capital letters all.xml. So when you get to firmware version, go down to firmware other, highlight and hit OK. It should read, yes, it'll show the SDAdish firmware June 7, 2007. And then go down to OK and press the OK button on the remote control. Now it proceeds to upgrade via do not unplug the USB device, which is internal in this case. It's updated. I can hit reboot, and it's rebooting now. Now it's doing the upgrading. Download in progress. Should allow it to go through this procedure. Now it'll burn.